Today's featured car is a 1964 Ford Galaxie 500 XL R code, 427 top oiler with dual quads, 425 horsepower, and definitely a good looking paint job on it. This beautiful car I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And it had some day two Keystone Classic wheels on it, but it was definitely a looker, that's for sure. Also had a Pennsylvania antique vehicle plate on it, so not exactly sure if it was from California or Pennsylvania. Looks like it could have been a tribute car to the owner of it. It looks like it might have been restored in his honor. Not exactly sure. But as far as the Galaxie went, the R codes in 1964, Ford built approximately 3,104 of the R code 427 Galaxies. And out of that, there's only 76 currently in the Galaxie, the R code Galaxie registry. Out of the 3140, only 76 are accounted for. So I'm sure there's quite a few more out there laying around in fields and probably old drag cars and that type of stuff. But as far as the R code cars between 1964 and 1967, Ford built approximately 8,652 of the R code cars with the 427s with 425 horsepower. And as usual at numbers, just take them with a grain of salt because they're not cast in stone. They're just the numbers that are on the internet by the experts and other sources. So, but that's what we got to work with. Today's featured car I recorded at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. It was a beautiful restoration done to it and had the day two upgrade on the wheels with the Keystone Classics, but I thought they looked pretty good on there. But anyway, if you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. If you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and share the video with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one. And consider subscribing if you aren't subscribed, and leave a comment or suggestion. And thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.